Yo, what's up? My name is Abhish Matthew and I'm here at Times Square. What I'll be doing for the next few days is that I will be hosting the IFA Facebook page and it's going to be super fun. Let me give you a little bit of a crash course about...
You're that Facebook guy?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Wait, are you...
Tanmay Bhatt.
No, I'm...
Kenny Substation.
No, I'm the other comedian.
Rohan Josh, I am such fan. Wow. Kill karte ho aap.
Thanks. My name is Abhish Matthew actually. I do... yeah. I've seen you somewhere. You the Instagram lady? You do some on Instagram, no?
Shut up.
Oh my god!
Shut up.
Oh.
This is Raven I'm taking.
Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Miss Malika Dua.
Hi! This is Abish.
This is Malika. See, the problem of speaking to Malika is that you can never talk to her normally. You have to embody the personality that she's got at that point in time.
Yeah, and it can be anybody. Even I don't know what I wake up with. You know, like some people wake up with the flu and I wake up with, I don't know. What? This mic is a bit strange. I hope you can hear me.
Yeah, everyone can hear very clearly.
Dude, I'm feeling so patriotic. I'm seeing Priyanka Chopra's Pantene ads here. I'm like, damn, girl, you be slaying so hard.
You be slaying, man. So what are you doing here? Oh, thanks.
I'm just here, यार. मुझे कभी-कभी salmon cream cheese की तलब होती है तो मैं flight लेके आ जाती हूँ बस.
Wow, Papa Ki Princess is here, ladies and gentlemen, right in Times Square. Have you been to Times Square before?
Yes, I studied in the US. I studied in Amish County in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. So I would come here like 1, 2, 3 times a month or whatever. And because I studied theatre, they would give theatre students like student prices to watch Broadway plays. So I had it pretty good, you know. काफी सस्ते में मैंने काफी अच्छे musicals देख लिए हैं.
So proud of you.
Subsidized.
I have seen 0 musicals except for every Bollywood movie ever, which is all the musicals that you get.
Yes.
So now, what we guys going to be doing is that for the next 3 days, we'll be hosting the IFA's Facebook page, and we're bringing in all the gossip that's happening around.
All the buzz, you know, जो भी buzz create हो रहा है ना, ऐसे हम आपके लिए चटपटी gossip लेकर आएंगे वहाँ से. नहीं, just kidding. We'll just get the buzz to you.
Yeah, I feel like I'm like, देखिए भाइयों बहनों, जैसे हम अभी यहाँ पर हैं, टाइम्स स्क्वायर में बहुत सारे भारतीय लोग हमें दिख रहे हैं. My Hindi is not bad, by the way.
आलिया ने दिया वरुण को high five. This is good. Gossip. No, we're not going to do that.
Yeah.
We're going to do something even better.
Yeah, that's true.
नहीं पता भी.
Let's walk around. Let's show them where we are. This is the Times Square. Now, what's happening today is there's something called IFA Stomp that's going to be happening. What is IFA Stomp?
IFA Stomp is a fashion show.
Yeah.
Come like a little pre-celebration. And the NY siren.
Yes.
If nothing is complete without that. You're not in NY until you hear the siren.
Feels like
New York, guys.
Yeah.
Feels like New York. Yeah.
If someone had to play the sound of New York, it won't be Frank Sinatra singing. It'll be just a bunch of sirens.
It'll be sirens, and you can be on the 50th floor, and you will still hear the siren from up there.
If I had to sum up New York, will be a siren and a cab girl going, "Where to, my friend?"
No, sorry, we can't take you there. Sorry.
Oh no, that's more Bombay, right?
अभी उधर नहीं जाएंगे. मतलब मैं तो अंधेरी में भी रिजेक्ट होती हूँ, मैं न्यूयॉर्क में भी रिजेक्ट होती हूँ. मेरी कहीं भी कोई भी स्टैंडर्ड नहीं है.
Best New York accent?
Oh, New York. Do you have a New York accent?
I don't have a New York
Hey, come on, you can roll your R's, no?
New York.
Say it again?
New York.
That's a very like Brooklyn, Italian.
New York. I mean, I talk to the cab drivers in an accent and I'm like, can you take me to 53rd and 8th? And I'm going to the Sheraton. I'm here from Bombay and we're here to cover the Oscars of India and the IFA Awards. And we have all of Bollywood here and we're going to do a lot of song and dance. And yeah, and India's great. You must come here sometime. And I love Times Square. Yeah, that's
wow, that's impressive. That is impressive.
4 years. That's the least I should be able to do.
I can barely roll my eyes.
So when I came from India, I would go, I'd place an order and I'll be like, hi, can I get a burger and a vitamin water? So they'd be like, what? I'm like, can I get a burger and a vitamin water? Sorry, honey, I can't hear you. You gotta speak up. Can I get a burger and a vitamin water? No, nothing. And I was like, can I get a burger and a vitamin water, please? Oh, now I see what you mean.
Now you're talking, girl.
I was like, I realized that लोग accent style के लिए नहीं मारते, बेचारे उनके पास कोई option ही नहीं है.
समझ ही नहीं आता ना. So what's happening right over there? If you just take a look, that's the IFA Stomp stage. If you're in New York right now, hey, it's walking time. If you're in New York, you can actually come over here. There's gonna be say about The two DJs playing. There's going to be there's going to be a fashion show, and I think that's more than enough, right, Malika?
And some stars.
Yes, that's true.
I mean, besides us two, there will be some other people worth it.
Is there anyone else worth it?
No,
I mean,
Abesh, no.
No.
Abesh, no. Let's be honest.
That's not.
That's just nothing.
That
Acha,
is
uske baad we'll go to American Eagle and Forever 21. Okay, we'll shop.
No, done.
Won't find anything at Forever.
Yeah,
but
I mean,
we'll still shop.
if you're in New York, why won't you not shop?
Yeah.
Let me take you a little closer and let me show you what the setup is right now. It is not fully, it's fully complete. There'll be rehearsals happening, so if you have like a lunch break, this is the best time to come out and check out what's going on, right?
And there's some steam right here.
Yeah. By the way, if you're in New York and if you don't see steam coming out of the manhole,
Then
is
you're
that
not in
even
New
New
York.
York? No,
not
exactly.
in New York.
That's the first thing I saw, and I was like, this is every movie I've seen.
Steam, sirens, and what else?
Delhi's.
Smell of coffee. Yeah, great Delhi's and lovely smell. Every city has its charm. And I think it's one of the few places in the world that manages its chaos really well. I know people say Bombay में सब चलता है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. New York में ना बड़े आराम से पता नहीं कैसे how they manage the chaos, but somehow they just do.
Yeah, I think it's my favorite city in the world too.
It's not my favorite city.
Oh, okay, fine. What is your favorite city?
Bhutan.
Oh,
I'm very peace loving.
City, okay.
I mean country, but okay, Paro in Bhutan is my favorite city. I'm like obsessed. My aim in life is to just find a way to move there. I don't think non-citizens can like stay there.
Oh, good.
But I'm
You
gonna
roughly
find it.
have like 1.1 thousand, like
Oh.
1,000 viewers watching you right now.
Right now?
Yeah.
There's so many people up so late. भाई सो जाओ. कल काम के लिए जाना है. What is it? Friday tomorrow? This is not
मजे
Saturday,
करो,
right?
नहीं हमको देखो, हम तुमको क्या क्या
Everyone
दिखाएंगे.
goes to see Salman Bhai, Katrina Kaif.
Salman Bhai was on my flight. It was crazy. I met
Really?
him. Yeah,
Nice.
Alia, Varun, Salman Bhai, Shakun, and one other person were on my
Wow.
flight. Yeah.
I met Kenny Sebastian. I mean, that's my celebrity
Who's
quota for the
that
month.
guy? Oh, that guy.
Yeah, the
Got
guy
it.
you thought I was. That guy.
Yeah.
That guy. But anyway, there'll be a lot more happening right here. So check out the Facebook page for more. Malika and I will be guiding you through the entire IFA experience for 3 entire days. So get ready to look at this beautiful
We'll
face.
be in your face while we eat, while we sleep, while we cry, while we talk, while we chat with like Bollywood. And you know, just being fabulous. Yeah, I'm just fabulous.
All right, we will catch you on the flip side. I don't know, it sounds cool. I just thought I'd say it.
How about that? Oh.
Okay, guys, I'll see you later.